Open the door.
I can't.
Paul? Open the door!
You'll hit me, Dad.
Open it up!
I'm not doing it.
Are you a good guy? Are you a good guy?
No.
I'm a good friend. I'm a good person. That is who I am, okay? This is me looking out for you.
You believe people can change?
You're not a good person, Rue.
I don't think we can. Not really. I think we come into this world who we are. Or maybe we get a little nicer. Or a little angrier. We can't change our fundamental nature.
Violence is weakness.
You're wrong.
No!
Why do I have to just stand there when I can put my cigarette out your fucking eye?
Everything that I do is in service to this place. Complicated problems call for complicated solutions.
Killing people's not complicated, it's simple. Kill. Kill.
I'll do what I have to do, Paul.
Oh, you're a tough guy now? Oh, you think you're a tough guy? Is that what it is, Hank? You think you're fucking tough? You're not fucking tough, Hank. You don't know what fucking tough is, motherfucker.
I'm gonna tell everyone what you did.
That would be a major mistake. You know something, Luke? If you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder.
Smile.
I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember. I'll remember.
You're crazy! You're fucking crazy! Get out! Get out! Get out!
I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Are you freaking out? Tell me the truth. Were you in on this the whole time?
Were you?